Assalamu alaikum friends, hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel Aviator Speaks. In this video, we will discuss about solid visibility reducers. There are three solid visibility reducers such as smoke, sand and dust which can reduce the visibility during the flight. Smoke. Smoke consists of solid particles produced by combustion such as forest fires. Reduction depends upon rate of production of smoke, rate of dispersal by wind, distance from smoke source. Dust. Dust particles are less than 0.08 mm in diameter. They can carried high in the atmosphere with wind of speed less than 15 knots. Dust storm areas are West and North Africa. Dust storms occur in daylight due to the pressure variation during the day. Particles may remain in suspension, causing poor visibility for a day or 2 days. Sand. It consists of particles between 0.08 mm and 0.3 mm in diameter. Sandstorms are up in the air of winds 20 knots or more. It is also occur in daylight. Visibility. Dust or sandstorms imply a visibility greater than 1000 meters. Effect of precipitation on visibility. Drizzle means slow rains commonly restricts visibility to between 500 meters and 3000 meters. Light rain has virtually no effect on the visibility during the flight. Moderate rain can reduce visibility to 3 to 10 km. Heavy rain showers cause a reduction below 1000 meters. Flight in rain. Rain on windscreen can have two opposite effects. It can scatter light and so reduce its intensity. Means the runway light may appear further away than it is actually are. It may cause the runway lights to bloom. They appear larger and closer than they really are. Care must be taken to avoid this illusion and maintain a safe approach path when subject to such illusion. In heavy rain, a film of water on the screen can cause refraction.